Uh-oh, I think my fire alarm's going off.
Hey, what happened?
Hold on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bitcoin is the most important thing to keep an eye on. Now, one thing, so this was the Shemitah year, and I was comparing it to the structure of 2017 bull run, 2018 bear market with the 2019 retracement. This brought us to the 618 and the retracement, which I think we're in the midst of. But for this, we had a back test before we went back to the prior trading range. The back test is 25,300. We need to back test that. But I think actually we're more similar to this structure. The prior bull run bear market is really what I think we're going to be doing. So we had the crazy bull run in 2013, crashed down in 2014, and we had a retracement yet again to the 618. So if we go all the way over here, by the way, this happened the Shemitah year, which was 2015. We were in a Shemitah again. This was in June. So which is why I'm open-minded to June instead of May, like I originally thought. So the 618 over here would bring you right here to $48,000. Young Ski, what's up, bro? So that would bring you to $48,000. So the most painful, like in the micro, so that's sort of macro, in the medium term or micro term, and the 0.5 on the bear would bring us, coincidentally, maybe not, back to the prior range to where we need to come and back test to of 25,300. That is my sort of worst case medium term scenario, 25,300. We could come hold right here, come up to the 0.5 or the 702, which would bring us to 29, almost 30,000, as low as 29,000, get rejected off of there, back test the 25,300 before then having a continuation to the retracement, which the 618 is right here at 42,000 on the medium. But yeah, so that is a structural possibility, which is a bearish fib right here, structure that happened right here. This would be a bull trap then followed by a bear trap. But that's basically like the possibilities that I'm looking at right now. And the third possibility would just be a continuation to the, if we get above 32,000, like it's just going to be a continuation. But I don't really think that that is, you have to look at, it says everything is pumping right now. We're in the weekly close. So, uh-oh. I think my fire alarm's going off.